Hello students, welcome to online audio video lessons, an initiative taken by Set Vidya Mandir English High School affiliated to CBSE. Myself Mridula Kadevru, mathematics teacher for standard 6th. So children, today let us continue with our chapter 14 practical geometry. So children, let us start with the chapter. So students, in last video I told you to draw a circle of radius 3.4 centimeters, as they had told you to repeat question number 6. So question number 6 is having a circle with radius 3.4 centimeters. So you have to draw a circle of radius 3.4 centimeters and AB. Here we have taken chord. Now let us take the diameter. So students, I have drawn a circle with center O and radius 3.4 centimeters and a diameter. You can take anyhow the diameter, but make sure that it should always pass through the center. Then only it is called as diameter. Now what you have to do? You have to draw a perpendicular bisector to this diameter. So again, same procedure. What you have to do? With A as center and radius more than half. Is it more than half? Yes. Now what you have to do? Draw an arc above and below. I have drawn it. Now with B as center and same radius, draw an arc above and below. Now we got 2 points here. Mark this as C, mark this as D. And now join this line CD, join this to form a line and check whether the bisector passes through the center O. So children, observe now the line segment CD, which is your perpendicular bisector. It is passing through the center. So write a statement that CD is your perpendicular bisector. So CD is passing through the center O of the circle. Now let us move to question number 8. Draw a circle of radius 4 centimeters. Draw any two of its chord. Construct the perpendicular bisectors to these chords. Where do they meet? So children, first draw a circle of radius 4 centimeters. So what you have to do? You have to adjust your compass with radius 4 centimeters. I have already adjusted, so you can observe it. See here, adjust it like this. Now draw a circle of radius 4 centimeters. You have seen I have drawn a circle of radius 4 centimeters. Now draw any two chords on it. I will draw one chord here, another chord here. You also do along with me, or you can take it like this also. Now consider the line segment, that is chord AB. So how do you construct a perpendicular bisector? With A as center and radius more than half. Adjust your compass. See here, is it more than half? Yes. Is it visible? Okay, with radius more than half, draw an arc above and below. So I am drawing it here and here. Now with B as center and same radius, again draw an arc. Now join these 2 points. Mark it as E and F. When you observe this, it is passing through the center. Now take this one CD. Again take radius more than half and cut or draw an arc above below. Similarly with C as center, again with same radius, draw an arc above and below. Now children, join this point and this point. I have joined. I will name this point as G and this point as H. When you observe both these lines, where are they both meeting? They are meeting at the center point O, isn't it? So you write EF and GH meet at a point O, which is the center of the circle. So write the statement like this. So children, you can take anyhow the chords, not only like this. You can take here, you can take here, anyhow. But whenever you draw perpendiculars to these chords and then extend, they always meet at the center. Try with different chords. Question number 9. Draw any angle with vertex O. Take a point A on one of its arms and B on another such that OA is equals to OB. Draw the perpendicular bisectors of OA and OB. Let them meet at P. Is PA is equals to PB. So children, first draw any angle with vertex O, and you have to mark any points A and B on both the arms such that OA is equals to OB. So for that, what we will do, we will take an convenient radius. Say with this, what I will do, I will cut it here and I will cut it here. The radius is same now, isn't it? So mark any point as, so this will be A and this will be B. So now we have to consider OA as one line segment, OB as another line segment. Now you have to draw perpendicular bisector to this line and perpendicular bisector to this line. So first let us take OB. Yes. So to draw perpendicular bisector to this one, what we have to do? Take radius more than half and draw an arc above, below. Similarly with B as center, above, below. Now join this. Mark these points as C and D. Now join. Now consider OA as your line segment. Now take radius more than half. Can you see it, children? Here it is more than half. Now draw an arc above and below this line. So it will come again here and here. Now with this as center, draw it here and here. Now we got 2 points, isn't it? So which are those 2 points? One is this one and another one is here. So mark it as E and F. Now join this. So I have drawn a line joining these 2 points E and F. And when I extend this, you observe that the bisector of line segment OA and bisector of OB meet at a point here, isn't it? So let me mark this point as P. Now the question is PA equals to PB? Now what you have to do, use your scale and then you can draw a line and check, or directly you can check. I will just draw and show you. So children, observe here, from point P to B it is 4 centimeters. Now adjust your scale with point A and P. You observe again it is 4 centimeters, isn't it? So what you can say, is PA equal to PB? Yes, PA is equals to PB. So by this we end our exercise 4.5. Practice this at home, children. In next video we will study about angles.